Hi, welcome to this tutorial. We'll introduce how to make wall stains and road trails in a few clicks with decal. Go to Assets, Model, Decals, and find a suitable wall stain decal. The decal can be attached to a model surface following the direction of normal. After placing it onto a wall, you can adjust its size and color. Now, the stain looks too obvious. Try to reduce its opacity a bit. That's it. Easy yet lifelike. Decals in D5 Asset Library are all customizable. You can delete the default maps and add your own to create interesting patterns like graffiti. There are often many trails on a road, such as damages, asphalts, and tire marks. Here, we choose an asphalt decal and edit its size, color, specular, and roughness, giving it a realistic look. Repeat the process on another cracked decal. You can even add a manhole cover if you like. Done? Switch on precipitation in the weather system. The road will immediately come to life. Decals can play magic in various projects. You can find hundreds of decals in D5 Asset Library to create road signs, damaged walls, and many other details. That completes our tutorial. Thanks for watching.